Investing for monthly cash flow. Hi, my name's James Gardino. I live in Sarasota, Florida, where it's warm and sunny all the time. You're looking for cash flow on a monthly basis? Have you ever thought of dividend capturing? What is dividend capturing? Buying the dividend stock before the EX date and then selling it for a profit after the date of record. This way you capture the dividend and you collect some profits. And then you repeat the process. Can it really be that easy? Yes, it can. However, over the years, many people have pointed out a flaw in my system. Considering the EX date as the last day the stock trades before the dividend is paid out, can you sell all dividend stocks for a profit after the date of record? No, not all dividend stocks perform this way. How do we solve this? Well, computer software, years of testing, and then retesting and tweaking. This is the first piece of software I want to share with you. This is our dividend calendar. This allows me to know what stock is trading at what time of the year. And then I can plan my trades accordingly. It breaks it down by the month and the week, and even it breaks it down by the day. Now, considering the software checks historical dates, you need to double check the EX dates with your data provider. I use Yahoo Finance. The second piece of software I want to share with you is a dividend stock calculator. This gives us the stock symbol, the price, the dividend, the yield. Now the yield is the percentage you would receive if you held the stock for the whole year. That's not what we do. We just capture the dividend and then we turn around and resell it. The 20-day moving average. This is how much the stock moves on a daily basis based on the last 20 trading days. The DOS, DD, and DC is something you'll learn about in our membership site. But right now we're talking about dividend capturing. Now we're also including options. That's for those who like to trade weekly options or to use options as a strategy for your dividends. Now I want to show you some live trading, and we're going to come to our Think or Swim. Now you will notice as I get out of here that yes, this is a paper trading account. Just want to let you know, after 25 years of trading, I still do paper trading. I want to make sure that I am right in the new trading strategies I come up with. And it allows me to show you without actually showing you my stuff. So, I'm going to go to Market Watch and then to the calendar. This will allow me to pick what dividends, earnings, conference calls, that stuff. But we're going to concentrate on dividends for now. Okay, today's being the 18th of September, and there's 22 stocks trading, going EX today. Tomorrow there's 6, which is nothing we can do about that. So we're going to look at next week. Okay, now next week, on Monday, September 22nd, there are 7 stocks going EX. On Tuesdays, there's 12. Wednesday, there's 30. Thursdays, there's 13. And look at this. Friday, September 26th, 129 companies going EX. What does that mean? That means there's 129 companies getting ready to pay dividends to their investors. Okay, so I'm going to quickly look at Tuesdays. That will allow me to buy tomorrow or Monday and still qualify to collect the dividend on Tuesday. Now, I took these 12 symbols, I copied them into my little writer, copy. Then I want to come over to my calculator, import them here, with a quick little paste, add, and then go. And while that's working, let's go to the calendar. Same thing. Paste, add, and then go. Okay, so while the software is running, I'm going to take a quick little pause so that the calculators can do what they do. And I'll be back in a minute. As you can see, the dividend calendar runs a lot faster than the dividend calculator. So we're going to give it just a little bit more time, and we're going to come back in a couple more seconds. Okay, both calculators are done. And now we're looking at these red marks that pop up. Calendar, like I said, if you want to trade any of these stocks here, they're trading in March, June, September, and December. See that? And there they are. Anyway, so let's go back to the other one, the calculator. Very first thing you see pops up, those red marks again, and then remove incomplete stocks. What does this mean? This means that these three companies do not have 10 years worth of data. It's one of the parameters I wanted to put in my calculations. I want to make sure the company is solid and it's going to be around for a while. So it has to be at least 10 years old or it's not going to work. So we'll get rid of those. And as you can see, IRM, 100% of the time, in the past, I have to reiterate that, in the past, because this does historical data. You can buy the stock before the EX date, collect the dividend, capture the dividend, and then turn around and resell it for a small profit 100% of the time over the last 10 years. Now, this is historical data. This is what this calculator does. It shows you how well it performed in the past. Doesn't mean it's going to do it in the future, but if it did it before, most likely it will do it again. Anyway, this is James from the 10-Minute Trader, and I hope to see you in the membership site. Have any questions, please feel free to give me a shout. Let me know. Have a great day and happy trading.